Okay, fluency practice. In this practice, you will see the example, and also you have to practice them. Before practicing them, please have a look at the example given. A, I watched television on Monday. Oh, did you watch it on Tuesday too? Okay, you have to replace or change some parts. For example, like Monday is replaced by Tuesday. Okay, and also the expression. You have to change the expression too. Oh, did you watch it on Tuesday too? Okay, do you get the point? Okay, what about number one?
I worked very late on Monday.
Okay, and then?
Did you work hard?
Did
Late.
you work?
Did you work very hard?
Okay. You have to use the example given to the part of the example given. I work very late on Monday. So in B, you have to give the expression. Oh, did you
Did you
work
work very
very
hard on
late
Tuesday,
on
on
Tuesday
Monday?
too? Okay, don't change the part given, the essential part. Okay, do you get the point, Indri?
Okay, I get the point.
Okay, the second one.
I work home on Monday. Oh, did you work home on Monday?
On Tuesday, please be focused.
Oh,
You have to replace the part of Monday by using Tuesday and adding two. Okay, please, the second one again.
I was the dishes on
No,
Tuesday.
number two.
Oh, number two. Langsung responsnya ya?
Yes, the response.
Okay. Oh, did you work home on Tuesday too?
Okay, correct. Number three.
Oh, did you wash the dishes on Tuesday too?
Okay, number four.
Oh, did you learn a lot on Tuesday too?
Okay, number five.
Oh, did you listen to the news on Tuesday too?
Okay, number six.
Oh, did you play football on Tuesday too?
Okay, number seven.
Oh, did you prepare the meal on Tuesday too?
Okay, the last one.
Oh, did you answer all the question on Tuesday too?
Okay, absolutely correct. Okay, the second one. Please have a look to the example given. He got or did he get? A, I got to work late yesterday. B, did you get to work late this morning too? Okay, in this part or in this section, you have to omit or replace, okay, yesterday by using this morning. Okay, the adverb of frequency is to refer to the past tense. Okay, yesterday and this morning. Yesterday itu artinya kemarin, this morning pagi.
Ini.
Pagi yang lalu, bukan pagi ini. Bila ada adverb of frequency-nya this morning, itu sudah mengacu pada simple past tense, bukan simple present. Itu time markernya atau adverb of frequency-nya. Okay, number one. Other than Indri, maybe Handini. I hope everybody will be able to speak up. Okay, number one, Handini. Where are you? Handini Putri, are you still with us? Okay, maybe the other ones.
Okay, can I?
I hope the other students will be able to participate, not only Indri.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Indri. I'm afraid the other ones
That's okay.
would like to try. Ina Sofia Giuliani. Okay, please. You are here. You have to move step ahead. One step ahead. Okay, please. Number one. Okay, correct. The second one. Slow but sure. Okay, number three. Okay, number four. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay, number seven. Did you sleep late this morning too? Okay, the last one. Okay, thank you very much. Absolutely correct. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then let's have a look to the next exercise. Notice that didn't do negative form is formed in the same way as question R. Okay, there is a question. Sorry, there is the example. The bus this morning. I didn't catch the bus this morning. Okay. Okay. Do you get the point? The bus this morning. I didn't catch the bus this morning. Okay, you have to do the improvisation by using some verbs. Okay, which have the correlation with the example given. I didn't catch the bus this morning. Okay, I didn't catch. You have to catch the bus. Okay, not you meet the bus. You have to catch the bus. Okay, do you get the point? And then this first one, would like to try a big breakfast. Okay, please. Intan. Okay, please, Intan. Speak up. I didn't have or have. Have. Okay, I didn't have a big breakfast this morning. And then number two. Okay, number three. I didn't do any work this morning. Okay. Next. I didn't listen to this morning. Okay. Okay, don't be afraid, don't be doubtful. You must be sure with your answer. Okay, Intan. Okay, number five. Okay, number six. Okay, number seven. Okay, number eight. Number nine.
church this morning.
Okay, number 10.
I didn't answer all the questions this morning.
I didn't answer all the questions this morning. Okay, correct. Absolutely correct. Thank you very much.
This is I didn't for
Okay.
this morning.
Yes. I didn't, ya, saya tidak. Ya, saya tidak. Jadi diikuti dengan kata kerja simple present, jangan simple past. Ya, tadi pakai have tadi. Ya, gunakan have. I didn't have a big breakfast this morning. Seperti ya. You have to do a lot of practice, okay, so that you will be a master of speaking English. Okay, and now we have the transformation exercise. Make question with why didn't with this new verb. For example, Jane usually writes a lot of letters in the morning. She wrote a lot yesterday. And you respond, why didn't she write a lot today? Okay, you have to use why and then followed by didn't and then followed by subject or pronoun and verb one and a lot, and the time marker or the adverb of frequency is today. Okay, number one, who would like to try? Maybe Rika. Are you still busy, Rika? Will you please to join?
I'm sorry, sir. I have to fly, so I
Okay.
cannot read the paragraph.
Okay, it doesn't
Just
matter.
listening, sir.
Okay, another chance will be given to another student. Okay, please Intan again. Hop, pass.
The couch is yesterday. Why didn't the couch it today?
Why didn't he? Why didn't he catch the first verb, the simple present? Why didn't he catch?
It today.
The bus.
Why didn't he catch it today? Okay, you have to remind that the use of verb here is in simple present verb. Number two.
We didn't see James on the bus. We saw her yesterday. Why didn't
Why didn't
we see her today?
Why didn't we see her today? Okay. Next, number three.
The boss usually reads all his letters in the morning.
He read
them yesterday morning. Why didn't he read
Why didn't he read?
them today?
Okay, them today. Number four.
The bell usually rings at 10. It rang at 10 yesterday. Why didn't the bell ring?
The bell usually rings at 10. It rang at 10 yesterday. Why didn't
it rain today?
Why didn't it ring ring at 10 to today? And number five.
The milkman usually bring
The milk early.
He brought it early yesterday. Why didn't he bring it early today?
Okay, why didn't he bring it today? Okay, correct. Number 6.
The cat usually drinks a lot of milk. It drank a lot yesterday. Why didn't the cat or it
Why didn't it
it drink
a lot
a lot today?
a lot of milk? Okay, a lot. Okay, it's correct. A lot today. Okay, correct. Number 7.
Cat usually does a lot of work in the morning. She did a lot yesterday. Why didn't she do a lot of work?
In
Mm,
Why didn't she do a lot today? Okay, the last one.
I usually read
Peter.
the paper.
Peter.
He
Peter usually
usually read
reads.
the paper in the morning. He read it yesterday. Why didn't he read it this
Today.
today?
Okay, correct. Well, I think you have understood about the use of the adverb of frequency and the verbs in simple present and simple past as well. Okay, next. Okay. The next page will become your homework. Okay. Please read first. Okay, for page 18 to page 19. Okay. These two parts will become your homework and they must be submitted at least next week before the lecture started by using the LMS application. I will put or I will give the task, the message there, and you have to submit your assignment there too. Okay, for page 18 and page 19, only the answers. Well, I think that's all for today. Is there any question before the meeting ended up? Is there any question? Intan, maybe? Do you have question? Or are you still confused? A little bit. I think you will be able to understand about this material by practice, by doing practice a lot. Okay, by reading, by understanding every message given in every situation and practice. Okay, I think that's the best way to understand every section of this book. Maybe Ada, do you have question? No. Okay. Thank you very much for joining our fifth lecture today. I hope next week you will be able to join to our online lecture or offline lecture. May God bless us. Have a nice day and goodbye.